Picture a mile of colorful concoctions of scrap wood, old toothbrushes, aluminum soda tabs, popped balloons, and the like, mounted on recycled sticks, winding along the scenic Del Mar coastline. Now picture the faces of delighted youngsters who designed the mini masterpieces, which they call fish sticks. When three women from Del Mar were introduced to the work of recycled trash artist Rodney McCubry, aka Rodrigo, they saw an opportunity to use an art project to raise awareness in elementary school children, their families, and communities about the negative impact trash has on our oceans and marine life. More than 400 local students worked with Rodrigo to create their own one-of-a-kind recycled wooden fish, embellished with recycled trash collected from the beach and home. Coast Keeper congratulates Mara Bickett and Becky Deller, together with collaborators Sarah Wingate and Rodney McCubry, and the hundreds of parents and teachers who made Fish for Thought possible.
On behalf of our entire project team, we'd like to sincerely thank San Diego Coast Keeper for recognizing our grassroots environmental art project. Like San Diego Coast Keeper has been trying for over 15 years to raise awareness about environmental ocean issues, our project is trying to do the same thing by connecting an entire community via art, science, and environmentalism. So thank you again so much, San Diego Coast Keeper. This is quite an honor.
Qualcomm was the proud recipient of last year's Coastal Champion Business Award, recognizing our efforts to reduce water and energy consumption throughout our business operations. This year, I was proud to serve on the review committee that selected Hubbell & Hubbell Architects as the recipient for the 2009 Coastal Champion Award. Congratulations, Hubbell & Hubbell Architects, for your demonstrated leadership in creating environmentally sustainable design.
The phrase environmentally friendly design may conjure images of sparse landscape, rain barrels, and bland earth tones. But thanks to Hubbell & Hubbell Architects, environmentally friendly shines brightly next to art, passion, and beauty. Hubbell & Hubbell has been designing green buildings since long before being green was the cool thing to do. These visionary designers incorporate water-efficient and energy-efficient materials and processes into structures that grace the length and breadth of San Diego County. They introduced state-of-the-art straw bale technology in the Center City Friends Center. Organically inspired design overlooks a low-water use succulent garden in the Pacific Portal at Shelter Island. And a visit to the Elfin Forest Interpretive Center underscores the architect's tremendous capacity for creating man-made structures that coexist in harmony with nature. San Diego Coast Keeper is pleased to recognize Hubbell & Hubbell Architects for their innovative, inspiring design that is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the earth.
We at Hubbell & Hubbell Studios would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for presenting us with this significant and most meaningful award.
When you know that 70% of San Diego's largest watershed lies south of the U.S.-Mexico border, you can begin to appreciate the tremendous impact that Margarita DIAZ has on water quality in our community. As the director of Proyecto Fronterizo de Educación Ambiental, Margarita is a tireless advocate for community education and empowerment, bringing information about water quality and the impact of individual behaviors on our waterways and ocean to residents on both sides of the border. She plays a pivotal role as a liaison between efforts in the U.S. and Mexico and is a strong voice for collaboration and cooperation among community and environmental groups. The outpouring of enthusiasm for Margarita's work from friends, colleagues, and community members demonstrates the inspirational role that she plays in San Diego County and beyond. Coast Keeper is pleased to present the 2009 Coastal Champion Community Award to Margarita DIAZ and commends her for her tireless enthusiasm and ever-hopeful outlook that has a significant impact on water quality.
As the former council representative for this coastal district and in my current role as a port commissioner, I've always relied on sound science to help guide my decision making. That's why it's been such an advantage to have a world-renowned research institute like SIO right here in San Diego, and it's been so critical to protecting our marine habitats. I am very proud to present this year's winner of the Coastal Champion Community Award to the Director of the Scripps Institution of Oceanography, Dr. Tony Haymet.
A comprehensive examination of the evolving knowledge and activism surrounding water quality and water supply in San Diego could neither begin nor end without recognizing the contribution of Dr. Tony Haymet. In more than 3 years as the director of Scripps Institution of Oceanography, UCSD, and as a citizen and scientist for many years before that, Dr. Haymet has played a significant role in shaping the way that San Diego, California, and the world thinks about environmental issues. He has made a concerted effort to expand Scripps' role in environmental stewardship without sacrificing their reputation for independent and credible scientific leadership. In particular, Dr. Haymet's efforts have engaged Scripps in establishing marine protected areas off the coast of San Diego, educating children and the public about the impact of climate change and lifestyle changes that can help, and identifying critical threats to water supply in the western United States. Scripps scientists have learned not to be surprised when Dr. Haymet appears in the lab to inspect and participate in the most minute detail of a scientific study. Coast Keepers celebrates this enduring passion for discovery and scientific progress that makes Dr. Tony Haymet an icon in San Diego's environmental community.
Thank you. This is an unexpected honor, and it's a great pleasure to accept this award from Coast Keeper on behalf of all of my colleagues, past and current, from Scripps Institution of Oceanography at the University of California, San Diego. When you look at the ocean behind me, it's hard to imagine there are lots of problems with it. But as we know, there are so many pressures of multiple use on our oceans, more people wanting to come to California and use our beautiful coasts. So it's a great pleasure to be working with Coast Keeper on such tough issues as marine protected areas and marine debris. Thank you for this great honor.